Hi, I'm Michelle Maharbis.
I'm Tom Zaidel.
We want to tell you a little bit about how we designed the course. When we were putting together the course, we were really keeping in mind someone that has a little bit maybe a physics background, a little bit of math, say maybe a high school senior, or maybe you're an advanced high school student. Maybe you're just starting college and are thinking about electrical engineering courses, and this might help as an introduction. Maybe you're farther along your career path in a subfield or a different field, and you've really always wanted to come back and pick up some of these core fundamentals. And so we're hoping that this is accessible with very little math and very little physics, but maybe a touch would help.
So with that in mind, we've developed the course to really focus on building circuits. So in this class, you're going to start with a few popsicle sticks and a voltage regulator and eventually build a complete functioning robot. And we're going to show you along the way some of the fundamentals behind the interfaces that go into making the robot work.
But we want you to make, we want you to hack, we want you to take the core and add to it, build it, have fun with it. Always come back to the main flow of the course because we've picked these fundamentals because we feel they're important, but see what you can do. If you are lucky enough to have access to additional electronic components, try to make use of them. At the end of the course, we're going to show you what Cal students did with basically the same core, just sort of for fun to see what's possible. The other thing to keep in mind is that the same concepts that we're teaching you in this course and sort of applying them to this robot are really fundamental in almost all consumer electronics. Everything that you interact with that's an electronic gadget that takes information from the environment and then does some digital computation on it requires these types of components as front ends, requires these types of concepts to move information from the world into the digital fabric. And so they're very, very, very fundamental, but as you can see, they have lots of fun applications like building the robot that we're building in the class.